In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 3050 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Once you have bring it up, you need to proceed with HP LaserJet 3050 all-in-one printer software and driver. Click on it, and in a few moments you would be redirected to the page where you can see the printer driver, which is the 3050 all-in-one printer. Then you need to click on choose a different OS. If your Windows 11 is not being automatically detected, select this one and click on update. Once done, directly proceed to driver universal print driver. And here you need to scroll down and then choose among of these two. Okay. Then click on download. Okay. So once you have downloaded it, navigate to the download here icon and proceed to the downloaded file, which is this one. Okay. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to copy and move that to the desktop. So by that, make a right click, and here you need to go with this cat icon. Now click on it, close the window as well as this one, and here please make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted the zip file here, you need to unzip it by making a right click again, and this time you need to choose for extract all or either use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So kindly wait until it would be successfully extracted here in our PC or laptop. Okay, so once a new file folder has been created, directly proceed to the start icon, make a right click here, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please navigate to the left side where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with Bluetooth and devices. Click on it, and from here, please choose for printers and scanners. Click on it again. And here you can see an option where you can add device. All you need to do is you need to click on it and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And please choose for the local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So if you have HP port, you can use that as well. So click on next once you have set it and go with have disk. And since our extracted file has been located at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. Just click on browse. And here you need to scroll down and navigate to the extracted file. Double tap it and it will show you a list of drivers. Select any of this. Okay, so click on open and then click on OK. So from here, you need to choose among of these two and then click on next. And just rename that into HP LaserJet 3050 all-in-one printer or AiO. Once you're good, click on next and it will now start the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Now once done, please click on next, click on finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3050 all-in-one printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.